Tiffany Arielle here. So this is kind of a last minute video. I was not expecting to make this video, but as most of you probably already know, Sephora is having their fall/holiday sale right now. I placed my order on the 1st because that's when it opened for VIB. They told me my order was not going to arrive until the 10th, so I didn't think I was going to be able to make a video about a haul while the sale was still going on. But my package is here. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and a haul today since the sale is still going on today, which is Sunday the 6th, and I think it's still going on tomorrow, Monday the 7th. So if you forgot anything or need to re-up on anything, you still have time to either order online or go to the Sephora store. So let me go ahead and open my box. All right, we got the box open. So let's get started. So the first thing that is in here is Krista. This is a strawberry pink blush. So you know, basically Sephora, anytime you order online, you can always pick like 2 free samples. This is one of them. This might be too light for me, I'm not sure, we'll have to see. But yeah, if you want to see me try any of these out, definitely comment down below and I can definitely do that on camera, not today but another day. But yeah, so this is the first of the free samples that I got. The second free sample that I got, really, Pepper? Give this to me. Cats. The second free sample that I got is this Jo Malone London. This is Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. This is not what I selected, but I'll try it since they sent it to me. It says London's Covent Garden Early Morning Market, succulent, sweet, playful. Fruity, it says the top is cassis, heart is acacia honey, and the base is peach. And they recommend layering with orange blossom for a fresher scent, or with wood sage and sea salt for a warmer scent. So yeah, we'll try that out. Now for the things that I actually paid for. So I got, this is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I like this mascara, however, I don't use it that frequently because I'm not really a makeup girl on a day-to-day basis. So I decided to get the minis. I actually got 2 of them. Yeah, so I got the minis because you are supposed to throw your mascara away every 3 months, and I didn't want to have to worry about wanting to hold on to the big one just because it's not done, because that's just not good for your eyes. So the other thing that I got, this is also a restock. So this is the Olaplex number 0. I do use Olaplex on my hair about monthly just to try to keep my hair like strong and minimize damage as much as possible. Did I say weekly? I meant to say monthly if I did not say monthly. But yes, I use Olaplex monthly. So this is the number 0, which is kind of like a primer. If you're not familiar with Olaplex, everything is numbered. So there's number 0, which is like a primer. There's number 1 and number 2, which I think are only for salon. So I don't actually know what those do. There's a number 3, which is the treatment that you can buy at home. I do have that as well. There's the number 4, which is the shampoo. And there's the number 5, which is the conditioner. So I use 0, 3, 4, and 5. I do have a video where I used Olaplex to do like a straight to curly routine. I will link that video down below. But yeah, so I use Olaplex number 0. The next 2 things that I got are these 2 Ilia lip balms. They're tinted lip balms. One of these is more of like a berry color, like kind of more pinkish, and the other is a bit more like reddish. So I just got these for kind of days where I'm not wearing a lot of makeup, but I do still want a little bit of color on the lips. Sometimes I like to just add a lip liner and then do a tinted balm, and so I decided to get a couple of these. I've not tried these before, but yeah. So then the next things that I got, these are restocks. This is the Necessaire deodorant. The deodorant gel specifically is what it's called. And these have AHAs in them. And so if you are a person who is removing aluminum deodorant from your routine or just minimizing it, I have not removed it, but I do try to minimize it as much as I can. So for day-to-day use, I find that this works really well. I do not use this alone. I actually pair this with the Native because this works really well for deodorizing. Like I don't really feel like I get any type of odor when I just use this, but because it's kind of a gel consistency, you will still feel sweaty, and I don't like that sweaty feeling, which is why I pair it with the Native, because the Native is kind of more absorbent and it like kind of absorbs the sweat so you don't feel wet. But I don't think that the Native alone deodorizes enough, so that's why I use them both together. But yeah, so I got 2 more of these. This is something I have not tried before. This is the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. But yeah, I've not tried this. I may use this on my face, but I didn't really get this for my face. I actually got this for a different area of my body where I have a skin condition. And so using chemical exfoliants can help to keep that at bay. So that's why I got this to try for that area. So the next thing I got is the Giorgio Armani My Way. So I've had like a little small bottle of this for a while, and I've actually been loving that as my daily kind of fall scent, if that makes sense. I don't know if it's really supposed to be fall, but I like it for fall because it's not as like sweet and fruity as what I was using in the summertime. So yeah, since I decided to wear this as my daily scent for the next few months, I figured I should go ahead and buy the full size. I also have the My Way Intense. I did a whole video about My Way versus My Way Intense. I will link that down below. The last thing that I got is something new that I have not tried before. So let me figure out how to open this. Why is this packaged like this? Okay, but yes, I got this Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. Oh my God, they really do not want you to open this. This is the retro palette. So I wanted a palette that had some nice like pinks and berry tones in it. And this is exactly that. Lots of nice, good pinks and berries. Because I really like, pretty much when I do my makeup, I almost always do one of two looks. I either do a good pink look or I do just a basic brown kind of gold look. And I have one eyeshadow palette that just has browns and golds, which I really like. It's like literally maybe 6 shades in total, like 3 browns, 3 golds. It's perfect. But yeah, so I wanted something with some good pinks and berries, so I got this as well. So that is all that I got for this Sephora haul. Don't forget to go shop today/tomorrow, aka the 6th or the 7th, if you have not shopped already, or if maybe you forgot something in your initial order. And please don't forget to comment down below if there's anything in this haul that you want to learn more about. If you want me to do an actual review, if you want me to just try it out on camera, if it's like a makeup product or something of that nature. But yeah, definitely comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye.